Welcome to Term 5 at Post University. I'm your instructor, Professor Shannon Wright, and welcome to our course, CTC 101 College Success Seminar. I am pleased that you have joined us this term, and I look forward to getting to know you better over the next 8 weeks. I know that starting back to college can be intimidating, but I am here to support you throughout the process, and you have so much support at Post that I hope you lean on throughout the coming weeks. This course, College Success Seminar, is designed to teach you the skills and strategies that you need to become a successful college student. Each term, students tell me how valuable they found the course and how much they learned about themselves throughout the course of the term. We're going to be discussing in each unit different topics that range from financial literacy to your learning style to time management, and I look forward to all that you will add to our discussions. My biggest piece of advice as we get started is to practice effective time management strategies from the start of the course. This means that you should plan to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour each day on your reading and your interactive exercises and the other assignments that are due each week. I will be posting announcements on the announcements portion of our course page every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you should be on the lookout for those. I'll also email them out to you. If you get stuck or you need help along the way, please feel free to reach out to me through email or text. My information is located under the Meet the Instructor portion of our course page, and I look forward to an excellent week of learning together. Have a great week.